Here is the list of the most profitable small businesses that are beneficial from the starting point. It's offering plenty of possibilities so you can get an idea of starting your own business with the lowest cost possible. Copywriting services. Copywriters not only create advertising and marketing materials, they may write social media posts, website articles, and even email messages. For you to become a copywriter, you don't need a formal education, which makes it pretty easy to adopt to this industry, even for those who have no experience in creation of content. You will not need a pricey office space, as most copywriters work from home on a freelance basis, so their expenses are pretty low to start. Cleaning services. Do you like helping others to manage tasks they don't enjoy or simply don't have time to complete? Then providing cleaning services may be just for you. With average hourly rates of $17 to $30, you may bring in substantial revenue for simple but so necessary services. You also don't need to have an education, experience, or a physical office, and you can set your working hours around your schedule as it suits you the best. If talking about expenses on cleaning supplies and equipment, it can be billed back to the client. In-home caregiver services. Home caregivers assist seniors in their homes. They help with bathing and dressing, light housework, some cooking, and transportation needs to doctors or stores. The qualifications at this time are relatively simple. You have to be able to take care of someone else. In some areas of the country, you may also need to take a licensing test. Typical fees that are charged to clients are between $15 to $25 per hour based on geographic location and the references that can be given. Typical fee schedules for a startup business are approximately $15 per hour, which after a year can be increased to the $20 per hour. The startup costs are pretty low and may be limited to the cost of business forms and documents such as business cards and work invoices. Accounting services. Accounting services are highly in demand, supporting nearly every kind of individual and company. These services may include personal financial planning, bookkeeping, and tax preparation. The startup costs are not very high and may include office space, software, minimal number of workers, and electronics. Successful accountants in every service area often have a high level of education, at minimum an undergraduate degree. Professionals who have a CPA license may demand higher rates and get more income. The average net profit for accounting services is around 18%. And constant need in accounting services shows it as a positive industry for business growth. Educational services. Considered an essential part of self-improvement as well as a requirement early in life, the education industry commands billions of dollars on an annual basis. Professionals can operate in such areas like testing centers, schools, preschool and daycare, test prep services, college prep programs. The industry's average net profit is about 10%. And the startup costs are pretty low, considering that tutoring and test prep companies don't necessarily need to have a physical location or substantial assets. While finding educators with teaching licenses and a college education can be a challenge, tutors and test prep employees are often college students or recent graduates. Hiring them may provide you an opportunity to lower your costs.